Counsel to the plaintiff, Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Oluwole Iyamu SAN, said though he was not against the bail application, the defendant must be made to sign an undertaking. He told the court that the undertaking became necessary if the bail must be granted so that the defendant will not in any way cause any breach of peace in Ologbo community or tamper with any of the witnesses. Counsel to the defendant, Iredosa Imadegbelo SAN, told the court that the fear of the counsel to the plaintiff has already been captured in the affidavit in the bail application before the court. The judge, Justice Ashelegh Ikponmwosa, having listened to both arguments, granted the defendant bail in the sum of 1 million naira, a surety residing in the jurisdiction of the court, and also granted that the defendant sign the surety as moved by counsel to the plaintiff. Justice Ikponmwosa, however, transferred the case to Court 3 in order to avoid any form of accusations of being biased owing to the past experience concerning the defendant. Commenting on the development, Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Oluwole Iyamu SAN said the state is seeking for peace, hence the need for the undertaking as it will bring about relative peace in that area.
It's not just a matter of keeping him in custody, it is to ensure that he is there to face his trial, which will continue, and also that in the interim, there's peace. And with the undertaking that the court has insisted upon, or agreed with us upon, let him go home and let him keep the peace.
In the interest of peace, the state learned SAN, representing the state, decided to withdraw our position against his not admittance to bail, but on the condition that he must enter into a written undertaking to be of good conduct henceforth and to ensure that peace and tranquility travel within Ologbo and that the witnesses are not interfered with. To us, I think that's the very essence of calling his SSs to order.
On his part, counsel to the defendant, Iredosa Imadegbelo SAN, said all their submissions regarding the undertaking were already in the affidavit submitted by him.
It's okay because the Attorney General was in court in person and informed the court that he will not be opposing the application so far as an undertaking from the defendant that he will be of peace. And I informed the court that that is one of our grounds for the bail.
The date for the next hearing is expected. Ikponmwosa Ugiagbe reporting.